In order to start sending voice, first we need to upload your data, navigate to Contacts, create new group, name the group how you would, and choose the country that your data belongs to. In the contact group, choose Import. You can upload an Excel or CSV file. Then click Start Upload. Once the file has been uploaded, click the file and click Open Manual Mapping. Map each column based on the data you have and wish to import. You can map as many fields that you have in the data you uploaded, most important being phone and first name. Once you have mapped your desired data point, click Submit. Then click on the Import All Files button. Our system will automatically scrub your data against the DNC, landlines, and our internal blacklist. Next step is to purchase DIDs. These are the numbers that will be used to call your data. Based on the route, each DID can make between 40 to 50 calls per day. Navigate to DIDs, create a new group, name the group how you wish, and choose the country and route. Once you have created the group, inside the group, click Get DID. If you wish to get a specific area code DID, then choose Manual Area Code. If not, then choose Randomize Area Codes. Now enter the quantity of DID you wish to purchase. Next step is to create your audios. You'll need to create 2 audios, one for outbound when we call the end user. In order to do that, navigate to Media, create main audio. Here you have to use spin tax. You'll need to identify who is calling and spin that at least 4 times. You'll need to identify what company they are calling on the behalf, the reason for the call, a clearly spelled out customer support number, and a way for them to opt out. Name the audio how you wish. Write your script to speech and choose an AI-generated voice. In the AI-generated voice section, we have both male and female voices and different accents. You can listen to samples of some of the voices. Once you have chosen the voice you want to use, click Create. Our compliance team will approve your audio. Then you'll need to create an inbound audio. To do that, navigate to Media, create other audio. Here you cannot use spin tax. Once you've named your audio, written your script to speech, and chosen the AI-generated voice, click Create. Little tip. Generally, younger females and older gentlemen tend to work better. Now it is time to set up your campaign. Navigate to Send and Campaign Compose. From here, you will choose Send Method as two-way. Message type, voice, and then choose the country. In the Routes section, choose the desired route and the DID group you created earlier. Once you have selected the route and the DID group, you need to choose the vertical from the drop-down menu that is closest to the vertical you are sending. In the Contact Group section, choose the contact group you wish to send the campaign to. In the Media section, choose Config Media with tags, and choose your outbound media group with spin tax. Our system will add the greeting and first name in front of your main audio. In the Responder section, add your forwarding number. In order for calls to be delivered, add the following prefix in front of your forwarding number, 9882224. Do the same for the inbound forwarding number and choose your inbound media. In the Advanced Features section is where you can name the campaign. If you do not name the campaign, our system will generate a generic name for the campaign. You can also toggle on Resend to failed contacts. This means that once our system has tried to call everyone in your contact group, our system will try call those contacts again that did not answer the first time. From the scheduling, you can choose the desired time you wish to send the campaign. Our system is the PST zone by default. You can also populate trigger data. This means that based on the end user's actions, data will be saved to corresponding group based on the triggered action. You will need to create these trigger data groups beforehand. Once you have filled out all the required fields, you can scroll to the top and click Send. Happy sending!